Okay, here we go on Lake Sound Trail. About a mile or mile and a half this direction, and I may or may not record the way back, but it's pretty scenic. And I'm still trying to figure out where this ends up elsewhere. So this the video I forgot to mention. The video started. It's about a quarter mile north of Fort Dent Park, where they do a whole bunch of soccer games and so forth. I've already done recordings down in that area, so I just want to do Lake Sound Trail, which I have not done recorded. So I'm recording this on the Bike Map app, trying it out. It's one app I did pay for. We'll see how nice it is for displaying the route later on when this gets posted. I'm also tempted to go ahead and purchase a subscription to Cadence. It's a pretty cool app as well. All kinds of metrics it gives out as you're riding. I mean, just on and on and on. It'd be kind of fun to get that recorded, but we'll do that another time. See how the Bike Map app does as far as recording. Oh, look out, a bunch of bunnies. Oh, look out, bunnies. Oh, we got bunnies. 4 or 5 of them just crossed. And so you can see it's all wooded back in here. And actually, I think I probably will keep the recording going because I'm going to make a couple comments when we get back to where I started it. So we're just about coming to the end of where, actually this is a trailhead up here. So I did go off the trail here. This is a whole big business section just to see some of the trailhead where this trail goes from here, but I did not see anything at all. So it's north, because Lake Sound, you think it would start at lake and end up sound someplace, but I've not been able to find it. So anyway, I'm going to keep the recording going. We'll just go a little further. Gotta cross over this. If I can cross without having to stop somebody. This looks pretty good. I could push the button, but these lights stay on for a walker so long. And I don't need to do that unless. Okay. Looks good. So I'm going to do is just keep recording going until I get back to where the Lake Sound Trail intersects or joins up with the Green River Trail. And I think, actually I didn't record that section. Okay, so this is still the Lake Sound Trail. The recording started on the other side of that crosswalk back there. I'm just going to continue this until we get. Oh, man, rode the bike yesterday for 15 miles. I didn't record anything. It was just around the neighborhood. So I was anxious to get on the bike again today. And this is doing really great things for my hip. So I'm just going to keep as much as possible. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right here. And righty, this is the entrance to the Lightstone Trail, as you can see. And Green River Trail is right ahead of us. Came in from the north from our right, and I'm going to continue down the south and go as far as I can. I want to go. I like getting home before it gets really dark. So that's the culmination of today's ride. Thanks.